The 2010 Toyota RAV4. This four-door vehicle leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Highway fuel economy of 27 miles per gallon distinguishes this vehicle as energy-saving transportation. Top features include front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Dynamic proportions are achieved thanks to stylish alloy wheels fitting perfectly inside the fenders. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including front and side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.